we'll guide you through how to make a Minecraft skin. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, quit off Minecraft and open up a web browser. And you need to come to the site minecraftskins.com, also known as the Skindex. You can just go and search for it as well and come to it. So first of all, you're going to be able to go and see that there's a load of skins here which you can go and use, or you can go and edit and use as well. If you want to make one from scratch though, you can go to the top and click on editor. But let's say you want to go and use one of these, go and click on one of them. You can then go over to the right and just download it. Just note these are ads. The actual download button for the skin is over here. You can also click on edit and go and edit it. To make one from scratch though, click on editor at the top and we then got a blank canvas. So just to go through the tools quickly, you've got the pencil tool, the eraser, the auto tone, color picker, the bucket tool, undo and redo. You can adjust the colors with these tools and then zoom. Of course, you can choose the color in the top right and you can then go and hide the different layers and the different body parts here as well. Some people do find it much easier to go and edit a skin, so it is up to you. I like to go and use the auto tone and I'll just go and remove the outer layer. And now I'm going to go and get started. So then you can click, hold and drag. And as you can see, it varies the tone, which is quite cool. What you can do is start hiding the body parts because then you can go to areas which otherwise you may miss. For example, inside the arms. What you can then do is go and start on the clothes. The pencil tool is super useful for when you're doing something like the eyes. So you get the idea, and now here's one I made earlier. You can also go and start adding stuff to the outer layer as well by enabling it if you had already disabled it. So yeah, once you finish, you can scroll down and click on download and it'll be downloaded to your computer. Now open up the Minecraft launcher and what you need to do is go to the top, click on skins, and then all you need to do is click on new skin. Then what you can do is give it a name. I'll go and give it hi or whatever. And you can then go and click on skin file and click on browse. Come into your downloads and you can select it and click on open. It will open it up. Go and see if slim or wide is what model was made for. In my case, it was wide. And you can then click on save and use. And it will then go and be selected. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.